Hi guys, Tori and Michael here. Today we're going to be doing a Nerf war, so let's get started. 20 seconds, Tori. Come on. 3, 2, 1, go. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Today we're only going to be doing three rounds. Go! Okay, let's position this correctly. We have to be quiet. Quiet and quick. And alert. A single move could kill us. Just a pair of people biking. By the way, this video is kind of in first person. So yeah, and we have to kind of hurry this video because my mom is waiting for. Okay, wait, I think I heard Joy. Crap. She went across the road, that's not good. Okay. Bam, 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 bam! Okay, Tori, you won that one. Let's go again. 20 seconds. Let's go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 14, 15. Go! I have to run. She's advancing if you can't see. Well, she just disappeared. Bam! Bam! Okay, where is she? Grabbed. My sister is good at hiding. That's one thing I should tell you guys. She is good. We need to stick to the fence. Be clear and quiet. Maybe the trees are shots. Okay, I think we're at the top of a plateau. Seriously, now then, we can directly rain down fire. What? Where did she go? Crap, she's good. No. Tori! Bam! Bam! You're dead! Bam! 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 You're dead! You're dead, Tori! Is that the end of our video, Tori? Come on, one more round! Come on, just one more round, Tori! Tori, come on! Okay, guys, bye! Since that person doesn't want to do a video, we can only have a 2-round video, not a 3-round. Well, see you guys later. Please like and subscribe. Yeah, bye.